Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Genshin Impact Hoyoverse too many requests problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step is you need to make sure to restart your device and restart your game at the same time. A simple restart can oftentimes resolve these kinds of glitches. And the next step is you need to update your game. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your Genshin Impact. Next step is, if you are using any kind of VPN, you need to make sure to disable it before opening and log into your Genshin Impact again. Next step is you need to reinstall your Genshin Impact, as I am doing right now, because all the methods for me personally didn't work. So you need to make sure to reinstall your game and make sure to disconnect any kind of VPN that you are using. So that's basically how you can fix Genshin Impact Hoyoverse too many requests problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.